So A's value is 9, B's value is plus or minus 5. So you are getting two cases here. Case 1, if B is equal to 9, or A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 5. What are the three consecutive terms? So three consecutive terms are A minus the first term, second term A, third term A plus D. So A minus D, put the value of A here, 9 minus 5 is 4. A's value 9, A plus D, 9 plus 5, that is 14. Now case 2, second case, if A is equal to 9, B is equal to minus 5. Two values are there for D, so two cases you have to see. That is A minus D, 9 minus 5, first term, that is 9 plus 5, 14. A as it is, that is 9. A plus D, that is 9 plus minus 5, that is 9 minus 5 is
4.
Therefore, three consecutive terms. At last, what right sentence? Therefore, three consecutive terms are otherwise. First case, what here is 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. These are the three consecutive terms. Now, next question number 8. Question number 8. Find four consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Already they have given which terms you have to take in the question. Let the four consecutive terms, let four terms are given A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2. These are the four terms given in the question directly. They have given the bracket. Now, see the first condition whose sum is given. Four consecutive terms, sum is given 12. As per first condition, their sum A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 12. So any term is cancelling here, you have to cancel, otherwise add. Sorry. A, how many times it is? 4 times. So 4A, this minus D plus D will get cancelled. 2 times D is there, so plus 2D is equal to 12. And these are the multiples, see the coefficient of A and D, multiples of 2. So divide by 2. What will get here? 2A plus B is equal to 6. This is equation 1. Now see the second condition. Sum of third and fourth term is 14. As per sum of third and fourth term. Third and fourth term is 14. So A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 14. So A plus A, 2A, D plus 2D, 3D, that is equal to 14. Now this equation, in terms of not cancelling, not possible to bring in simplest form, so keep it as it is. This is equation number 2. Now these are two simultaneous equations you got here in terms of A and D. How to solve this type of equations you know. So to eliminate A, what we'll do here? Subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So 2A will get cancelled here. 3D minus D, 2D, 14 minus 6,
4.
8.
8. So D is equal to 8 divided by 2,
4.
4. So value of D got here 4. Now you have to get value of A also. So D is equal to 4 in equation. Only one equation you can put. So I am taking here equation 1. So 2A plus D is equal to 6. First write the equation, then substitute value of D as 4. 2A as it is. In place of D, write 4 there. 6 as it is. Rearrange. Take this 4 that side. 6 minus 4.
A is equals to 1.
Therefore, A is equal to 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Now you got the value of A and D. So you can find easily 4 consecutive terms. Put the value of A and D in these terms. Therefore, 4 consecutive terms are. A minus D first term. Second it is A. Third A plus D. Fourth A plus 2D. Just put the values here and solve. A's value 1 minus 4. This value is 4. So answer minus 3. A is 1 only. A plus D. So 1 plus 4. Then 1 plus 2 into 4. 1 plus 4 is 8. It is 9. So therefore, the required 4 consecutive terms are, at last again you have to write, that is minus 3, 1, 5, 9. These are the required 4 consecutive terms. And next, yes? I hope all of you understood this one.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
9. Question number 9. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, then show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. So what you have to prove here? 29th term is twice the 19th term. First you have to understand the question here. Given ninth term is given to be 0 here. And you have to prove that or show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. This result we have to show. Okay. Nothing is given here. So, as we know formula, since the 9th term is given as 0, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Just put n is equal to 9 here. A plus 9 minus 1 into D. You will get T9. 9th term is equal to A plus 8B. So 9th term is going to be 0. So here it is 0 is equal to A plus 8D. So from this get the value of A. So transfer this 8D this side, minus 8D is equal to A. Therefore, A is equal to minus 8D. The equation 1 mark. Value of A got here, minus 8D in terms of D it is. Now, same way formula is there, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, 19th term. So T 19. So put N is equal to 19. A plus 19 minus 1 into D. So T 19 has this it is A has this 19 minus 1, 18D. Now we know the value of A here, minus 8D. Let's substitute here. We'll get here minus 8D plus 18D. From where you got this value? From equation 1. Minus 8D plus 18D. What is the answer?
10D.
10D. Correct. So 19th term you got 10D. Again, 29th term is the equation 2 mark. Okay. Now similarly, same formula, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Just put here N is equal to 29. A plus 28D. 29 we are finding. So again we know the value of A here. Just put value of A as minus 8. So T29 as it is minus 8D plus 28D. So 28D minus 8D, what is the answer?
20D.
20D. So 29, the 29th term you got 20D, correct? So this thing we can rearrange as 29 term is equal to 2 into 10. You can write down this one. In place of 20, can we write this 2 into 10? So 2 into 10D. So 10D is nothing but value of 10D. What is it? 19 term. So 2 into 9. From equation 2. 10D is nothing but 19 term. Hence, 29th term is twice the 19th term. Hence 2. Twice the 19th. Understand or not?
Yes.
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 Twice, then you'll understand. So, next topic will be for this. Applications of a word problems based on PN and SN. So, here, application. Applications of an AP. Means word problem based on AP. So, some questions directly I will take from the exercise 3.4. Here, based on SN and PN formula, questions are there. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10 and rupees 11 on second day. On 1st January, means first day of January 2016. Here she saves rupees 10 on first day, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 and 12 on third day, and so on. So every day she is saving some amount. Then if she decides to save like this till 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? It's 1st January to 31st December total saving, how much she is doing, that you have to find. So what is given, first you write here. Sanika saving on 1st January 2016 is equal to rupees. How much rupees is given? First one, rupees 10. Similarly, her saving on 2nd January, rupees 11, and so on till her saving on 31st Jan 2016. How much total? Total saving, how much is whole years? So these numbers here 10, 11, 12, and so on. See the numbers here 10, 11, 12, and so on. Every day is sum. What you say? And so on. This is nothing but it is an AP. With the first term, what is the first term here? A. A is equal to 10. These value you can find. Formula we know here. T2 minus T1. So directly I am writing here. 11 minus 10, that is 1. Common difference is 1 here. See. Now we have to find the total whole years her saving. Again, this 2016 is a leap year. 2016 is a leap year. So how many days are there in a leap year?
366.
There are 366 days in a leap year. So what is n here? N is equal to 366. So means you have to find the value of s 366. The formula we know, as we know, Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So use this formula, just put the value which you know here. N is equal to 366. S 366 is equal to 366 upon 2. 2 into A's value 1 plus 366 minus 1 into D's value 1. Solve the bracket first. 2 into 1, 2 plus 366 minus 1, 365 into 1 as it is 365 only. So 365 plus 2. 366 divided by 2.
183.
So again 183 into 367. Find the product. So what is the value? What is the value? 70,455. What do I answer all of you? Correct? Now, last sentence outright. So, Sanika saved rupees 70,455 in this year, 2016. Therefore, rupees 70,455 in the year 2016. So we applied here SN formula. Similarly, all questions are there where you have to apply here SN TL formula wherever it is needed. Possible to get the same.
5 minutes. 90.
9%.
9:15.
Now, first lesson we have completed, second we have completed. Both the lesson test I am going to conduct next week, Monday and Wednesday. 15 marks each. This is a class test, online class test. So all MCQ questions will be asked. Then do you prepare all the HOTS questions. Yourself you practice at home. Okay. Any doubt here? So in the next class I will complete. It is not possible to complete within 5 minutes. So next class I will make it 3.4 exercise. Okay. Some of you not send the photo of assignment. 2 assignment already we have given here. Lesson 1, lesson 2 assignment photos copy. Only few students have sent. They have sent only few students, I think 10 or 15 students out of 121 students. What about the remaining students? Up till now still 96 students are here online. Those are watching these classes. What is the reason? So every day we are taking attendance here. Tell other your friends also to join these classes, okay? Total 90 and where is it?
7.
This much serious this book. So please all of you attend all the classes here, okay? Nobody want to talk with this. Any doubt you have? Any doubt you have?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
All the 4 questions, hot questions, all of you understood here?
Yes.
Please practice it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
And only this one marks question is possible to take the test. Hot question, you have to practice yourself. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank